Hello guys, we are in Coquitlam and today I'm gonna review to show you, like to organize some virtual tour in a ground floor suite apartment for you guys. The whole house is under sale. Actually the current owner are selling it and it's gonna be sold with you guys. So check this out, Coquitlam. Let's go inside and have a look. Garage, main entrance, and actually your entrance would be from another part. You are coming over here, open this door, have a walk, and welcome. The price is really lucrative, attractive for you guys. That's why nothing to expect something luxury, but the area is brand new, I mean renovated. No any marks on the walls. Pure brand new appliances. Look at this fridge. Oh, everything brand new. Small kitchen. Actually this is an entrance to the laundry and it's closed area, and the access to the garage. This door is gonna be closed because this is the main entrance to the main floor, to the upper floor, yep, to the owners. And let's check out the toilet, washroom, tub, one bedroom with a closet, with room, I mean with window, closet, with shelves, some other extra space for some stuff. Another room, teeny room with teeny windows, but as I said, price is very attractive. A fully renovated Coquitlam, third area, third city in Greater Vancouver, most peaceful, most silent, most safest place in Vancouver. And yeah, just for you exclusively guys. If you want to check this out, let's go upstairs and have a look. Another space. Yeah. Oh, that is a house, yeah? That is a house. It's a main floor. They have even video monitoring. Actually, there is a current prospective tenant coming. So here is also very everything new. And check out the patio, guys. Huge area. View on the pool. Yours. Hello, how are you? Here is your main entrance, possible area.